Welcome to our podcast with English Charcha to improve you English speaking skills. Are you ready to improve your listening and speaking skills? In today's episode, we're talking about a day in my life. You'll hear natural, everyday English and learn how to describe your routine clearly and confidently. Let's begin. Listen carefully and try to speak along with me. A day in my life. Hi, I'm Katmini. I'm a chartered accountant working in the finance department of an MNC. I mostly work from home, and my shift runs from 1 p.m. to 11 p.m., so my mornings begin a bit later than usual. I wake up around 9 a.m. After freshening up, I drink a glass of warm water and check my phone for messages or work updates. Then I head to the kitchen and make myself a cup of tea. My peaceful start to the day. Around 9:30 a.m., I have breakfast, either poha, toast, or a paratha with curd. Then I shower and get dressed. Dressing up, even while working from home, helps me stay motivated and productive. From 10:30 to 12:30, I focus on personal development, reading finance updates, planning content, or recording videos for Instagram. Sometimes I go for a terrace walk or do a short yoga session to feel refreshed. By 12:45 p.m., I log in and start work. My tasks include preparing financial reports, analyzing data, and attending virtual meetings. It keeps me engaged and sharp. I take lunch at around 2:30 p.m. Simple and homemade meals, like dal, roti, sabzi, and rice. Evenings are busy, but I always take a tea break around 6 p.m. to recharge. Dinner is usually by 9:30 or 10 p.m. Something light like khichdi or pulao. After logging off at 11 p.m., I unwind, maybe watch a short video or listen to soft music before heading to bed at 12:30 a.m. Thanks for listening. Now it's your turn. Try talking about your own daily routine in English. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. See you in the next episode.